Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the carrier supports visual voicemail. If not, you need carrier help. Once confirmed, unlock your iPhone and open the phone app. Tap the voicemail tab at the bottom right. This shows your inbox and any greetings. Make sure you have cellular signal because voicemail controls often sync with your carrier. Without signal, toggles may not appear. If you see Setup Now, follow that to access voicemail settings before proceeding to disable. Next, because many carriers don't provide a simple off switch in iOS, you either use call forwarding or carrier settings. If visual voicemail lacks an off toggle, open Settings phone and look for voicemail options. Otherwise, set call forwarding to a number that rings out or to your own number with immediate hangup. You can also dial your carrier deactivation code or call support to request voicemail removal. This redirects voicemail away from your inbox, so messages won't collect. Finally, verify the change by calling your number from another phone. Make sure it no longer sends calls to voicemail. If voicemail still picks up, restart your iPhone and recheck call forwarding or voicemail settings. Sometimes the carrier needs time to update. If problems persist, contact your carrier support and request permanent voicemail deactivation, providing your account details. One key troubleshooting tip: confirm there's no simultaneous carrier voicemail service on a linked device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.